Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Repost for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Meanwhile, you can go into Instagram and pick a photo that you want to download. Then click at the three dots, choose Share To and click Repost App. Now go back to it. Open it, tap one of the options and click on the photo. Click on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. As you can see, my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!